can you actually make money from Instagram? Everyone treats it like there's cash hiding behind those monetization toggles. Flip them on, wait, get paid. So that's exactly what we did. We turned on every single money feature Instagram gives you and ran it for a full month. And the results were really not what we were expecting. Here's the reality check. Only about 6% of creators earn over $100,000 a year. And when you look at where that money actually comes from, the in-app payouts, all those toggles, they're only about a quarter of it. The real money is in everything else, brand deals, and what you build off the platform. So here's what we're doing in this video. I'll show you every native way Instagram lets you make money and what each one really pays. Then I'll show you the foundation you need to build first and how once that's in place, you can layer these features back on top and actually make them work. And here's the thing you need to know up front. Making money on here starts with one thing: reach and engagement. Nobody's buying, subscribing, or tipping if nobody's watching. That's just how it is. So to help you actually build that, we put the whole playbook in an Instagram engagement report. Best times to post, the engagement numbers to aim for, and the signals worth turning into real leads. We'll get into all of it in this video too, but grab it now to follow along. It's free and I've linked it in the description. To make this simple, let's put a number to it. Say you've got 1,000 engaged followers. Not a huge account, but not nothing. We're gonna run every feature through that lens, watch what moves, and figure out exactly what foundation you need to build before any of this pays off. First things first, Instagram doesn't have one creator fund. There's no set pay-per-view like YouTube. It's a stack of separate features, each with its own rules, its own payouts, and its own list of supported countries. And the reason so many people get burned here is that Instagram puts a monetization section right inside your professional dashboard. Flipping those toggles on feels like switching on income, but toggling is easy. Earning is the hard part. So let's go through them, and I'll show you exactly what each one actually pays. If you're looking to make money on Instagram, do not waste your time on this feature. Instagram Gifts pays you 1 cent at a time, and that's actually the whole problem. It's the easiest monetization feature to turn on, so it's where most people start. To be eligible, you need a professional account, you have to be 18 or older, and you need around 500 followers minimum. So the bar to get in is low. Basically, your fans buy stars, they send them on your reels, and you earn 1 cent per star. Now watch the math here, because this is the catch. The fan spends about $2.20 to send you 100 stars, and out of that, you keep $1. Meta keeps the rest. And it gets better. You can't take a single dollar out until your balance hits 25. From a normal sized audience, that pretty much never happens. And here's why it's so brutal. Gifts don't come from big view counts. They come from a small group of people who really feel connected to you. Two creators with the same reach can earn completely different amounts. For most people, this rounds to zero because the foundation isn't there yet. Build the reach in the community first, then come back to this. Next up, live badges and subscriptions. And right away, at 1,000 followers, we hit a wall. You generally need around 10,000 followers before getting to switch either of these on. So for our needle, it doesn't move. Not because the feature doesn't pay, but because we can't even access it yet. But here's what they look like when you do qualify. Badges let viewers buy hearts during your live stream to stand out in the comments. The catch is, you actually have to be live for anyone to buy. And a normal live for most people converts almost nobody. Subscriptions are a recurring monthly fee for subscriber-only content. We're talking anywhere from $1 to $100. And the nice thing is that Instagram takes 0%. But because these are purchased through the App Store or Google Play, Apple and Google take about 30% of every transaction. So a chunk of it is gone before it ever reaches you. And yes, the top creators really do pull $5,000 to $50,000 a month from subscriptions. But that's the same 6% we talked about, the ones who already spent years building a super fan base. It's not a switch you flip, it's a layer you add once the foundation is already working. Remember, you need 10,000 followers minimum, but here's the part that really stings. Even if you hit 10,000, Instagram still rolls this out in waves. Some accounts with 50,000 followers still can't access it. So at 1,000 followers, the needle's definitely not moving. Last one, bonuses. And this one's the most unpredictable of them all. The original Reels bonus fund is gone. Instagram discontinued it. Instagram picks you, you don't apply. And when it exists, it can actually pay well, roughly 1 to 2 cents per view. So a reel with 100,000 views might earn $1,000 to $2,000, but you have to be invited first. Now here's the reality. You can't build a business on something that's invite only, has no public payout formula, and can change or disappear with almost no notice. For most people watching this, bonuses pay exactly one amount. So let's add it all up. 30 days, every feature switched on. Gifts, badges, subscriptions, bonuses. For 1,000 engaged followers, the needle barely moves. And this isn't bad luck, it's structural. You don't own any of this. Your reach, your followers, the algorithm, that all belongs to Meta. And the top 1% of creators capture somewhere between 50 and 80% of all creator revenue. The in-app buttons aren't the main event. They never were. So here's the move. Build the foundation first, turn your reach into lead capture automation, and then layer these native features back on top if you want. Now, the toggles are a bonus on top of a real business, not the business itself. So let's talk about what that foundation actually is. You want to make money on Instagram? Stop using it as a cash register and start treating it like the top of funnel. 3 steps here. Build the reach, capture the lead, and monetize the list. And once this is running, every native feature you turn back on actually means something. Here's what actually works. Step 1, post reels for reach, not revenue. Your reels have one job, get you in front of new people, not pay you directly. So post consistently, stay in your niche, and let the algorithm do what it's actually good at, putting you in front of people who don't follow you yet. That's your top of funnel. That's where everything starts. And if you're wondering what to post and when, that's exactly what the Instagram engagement report breaks down. Best times to post, what content drives real engagement, and which signals are worth turning into leads. It's free and linked below. Step 2, automate the follow-up with comment to DM. If you're still saying link in bio, you're eliminating most of your leads. What you want to do is set up a keyword on your reel using an automation tool like ManyChat. When someone commented, they instantly get a DM from you with your offer. And here's why this works so much better than a link in your bio. Instagram DMs get 80 to 90% open rates. Email gets around 25%. A bio link gets 2 to 3% click through. Same reach, dramatically more captures. Step 3, deliver something valuable, capture the email. Inside that DM, don't just drop a link. Trade something genuinely useful for an email address. A guide, a report, a checklist, a template, something they'd actually want to save. When someone gets real value up front, they give you their email, and now you have a lead you own, not a follower Meta can take away. Step 4, sync every lead to a CRM and follow up. Now, every email you capture needs to go somewhere. The goal now is to push it into a CRM so it's tracked, owned, and followed up on automatically. The stack is simple. You want one DM automation tool like ManyChat, one CRM like HubSpot, and one connector between them. ManyChat and HubSpot actually have a direct integration with each other. It's super easy to set up, and both HubSpot and ManyChat have articles on how to do it. Follow those instructions, and every lead that comes through your comment to DM flow gets automatically created as a contact in HubSpot. Honestly, it doesn't get much easier than that. You capture the lead, it syncs, you retarget. That's the whole system running on its own. And step 5, monetize the audience you now own. This is where the money actually lives. Once you've captured the lead, you can sell to them through email marketing and retargeting. Here are the 3 ways you can do that. Sell a service or coaching offer to your most engaged leads. This is the fastest path to real revenue. Add affiliate recommendations your audience already wants. And when brands come knocking, because they will if your list is engaged, you negotiate brand deals from a position of strength. An email list is the asset. Instagram was just how you built it. So let's put a real number on this. Say you're posting 4 reels a week, all pointing at the same offer. Each reel gets 5 comments with your keyword. That's 20 automated DMs a week, 80 a month. Now for the purchase rate, we'll use 2% for this calculation, since that's a conservative floor. Keep in mind though that most comment to DM flows convert at 10 to 20%, so your real number could be significantly higher. So at a 2% purchase rate on a $50 offer, that's close to $80 a month to start. Not life-changing yet, but again, that rate was on a conservative side. Now here's what actually matters. That's $80 from an audience most people would call too small to monetize. And every week you post, the funnel gets bigger. The needle moves, not because of volume, because of intent. And the best part about this system, no platform is taking a chunk. And there you have it. We turned on every Instagram money feature for 30 days. Here's what actually moved the needle. Every native feature, gifts, badges, subscriptions, bonuses, they all pay the same way based on the same metric, reach and engagement. But if you don't have that yet, you're not gonna make anything. The model that actually works is a funnel. Post reels for reach, automate the follow-up with comment to DM, deliver a lead magnet and capture the email, sync to a CRM and nurture. Then monetize the audience you own. And how much money can you actually make? Well, full-time creators with 3 or more revenue streams earn about $75,000 more on average than creators relying on just one. Once the foundation is set up, the income streams are easy to build. But the whole thing starts with reach and engagement. If you aren't building your account properly, you're not gonna make money. So grab the free Instagram engagement report I've linked below. It's the posting playbook that makes this foundation work. If this video helped you come up with a plan to make money on Instagram, hit the like button. It's a great signal for us to make more videos like this. And subscribe to HubSpot Marketing so you don't miss the next one. We drop new videos every week to help you grow your business. My name's Carl. It's been great hanging out with you, and I'll see you on the next one.